What do you think will be effect of learning ICT in your everyday lives, in your strand or course?
I think ICT affects my daily lives activity such as entertainment and watching the application TikTok and Netflix because time and days are consumed by watching.
What do you think will be the effect of learning ICT in your everyday lives, in your strand or course?
Ang naging epekto sa akin ng ICT ay ang paggamit ng mobile phone at mga apps katulad ng Facebook, Messenger, TikTok, Instagram at iba pang mga apps. Mas pinadali na rin nito ang mga gusto mong malaman kagaya na kailangan mo lang i-search at pwede mo na itong makita. Pwede ka na rin manood ng kahit anong gusto mo rin.
What do you think would be the effect of learning ICT in your everyday lives, in your strand on course? What I think will be the effect of ICT on me is that I am learning to use the computer because it's difficult for me to use the computer and it's not so more with the gadget. If you use it in your ICT, I learned to use the application that should be used about the topic that we are asked to do such and Google sites for our performance tasks, and not only that ICT helps is working like a call center. What do you think will be the effect of learning ICT in your everyday lives, in your strand or course?
I think that the effect of ICT or information communication technology in our daily lives is you can use ICT to communicate other people by using other apps, example Messenger or etc.
What do you think will be the effect of learning ICT in your everyday live-in, your strand or course?
Having an access to these communication technologies is simply a privilege and it must not abuse and used to harm others. Instead, these technologies should be used for common good of other people. Using computers, emails, and social media should help me to communicate and connect with other people in the fastest and easiest way.
Give a scenario or situation where ICT plays a big role in solving a real-world problem.
One day, it's my sister's birthday and she really wants to have a makeup set. So I ordered a good quality makeup set from Lazada. Give a scenario or situation where ICT plays a big role in solving a real-world problem.
When you go road trip and you get lost, you can use Google Maps to find out the destination you are going to.
Magandang umaga, ma'am and sir. I am Israel Trosona Guardian. I am Group 3. Answer, sa mga araw na ito, sa pagsulong ng teknolohiya, ang pag-hack ay isang karaniwan na sanhi na nangyayari sa ating bansa. Salamat sa INTC, napabuti ang paraan ng coding. Nakatulong ito sa ating mga mamamayan na maging mulat at maging ligtas sa mga mapangsamantalang hacker at para protektahan ang ating personal na impormasyon. Thank you.